Alphabet fun time. Let's learn our letters.
Are you ready to get started? Well, let's go. A. A is for apple. Apple starts with A. B is for bird. Bird starts with B. Oh yeah, you got it now. C is for cat. Cat starts with C. D is for dolphin. Dolphin starts with D. E is for earth. Earth starts with E. F is for frog, and frog starts with F. G is for giraffe. Giraffe starts with G. H is for heart. Heart starts with H. I is for ice cream. Ice cream starts with I. J is for juice. Juice starts with J. K is for key. Key starts with K. L is for leaf. Leaf starts with L. M is for mouse. Mouse starts with M. N is for notebook. Notebook starts with N. O is for owl. Owl starts with O. P is for pig. Pig starts with P. Q is for queen. Queen starts with Q. R is for ring. Ring starts with R. S is for sun. Sun starts with S. T is for tree. Tree starts with T. U is for umbrella. Umbrella starts with U. V is for violin. Violin starts with V. W is for watermelon. Watermelon starts with W. X is for xylophone. Xylophone starts with X. Y is for yacht. Yacht starts with Y. Z is for zebra. Zebra starts with Z. Hooray! You made it to the end. Now let's do it again. Every day, let's learn the alphabet.